Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if your screen brightness wanted to change on your Windows laptop or PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to use shortcut keys. Try Fn key plus brightness up arrow or down keys. Usually the keys in the F1 to F12 with sun icons. Some laptops requires holding Fn plus these keys F1 to F12. You just need to try one keys one by one. And if this method doesn't help you fix, method 2, you just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings. In here you can able to see brightness slider. As you can see, you can increase or decrease by using the slider. If this method doesn't help you fix, then method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. On left side, you just need to expand the display adapters and right click on where GPU, for example Intel UHD or Nvidia or AMD, and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick and select the correct driver and select the next option and install it. After the installation done, check if the problem solved or not. If not, then right click on the driver and select uninstall. Select this uninstall option and uninstall it, guys. After uninstalling it, Windows will reinstall it automatically after restarts. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then method 4, you just need to expand this monitor and make sure this generic monitor is enabled. Just right click and select to make sure if you have disable device option is here. If you have enable device, then select the enable device to enable it. After that, if this generic monitor is not listed, then select the monitors option over here and select action tab and select scan for hardware changes. And now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot settings. Click on open it and select other troubleshoot settings. In here, if you are in the laptop, you can able to see option like power troubleshooter. Just select the run option next to power troubleshooter, and this will help you to fix your problem, guys. If this method also doesn't fix your problem, then method 6, you just need to go to search menu and type edit power plan. Click on open it. Select change advanced power settings. And now you just need to scroll down and expand the display. In my case, I am in PC, so the option is not available. I will show you in the image. You can able to see after expanding the display, enable adaptive brightness, set both on battery and plugged in to off position, and select apply and OK for save changes. And now restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.